Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So today I am going to do a pack with me video. So I'm going to do, yes, a pack with me for my holiday video. So if my face looks puffy and red, I've just been crying at Glee. So that's really fun. Couldn't contain myself. It was like season 5. That's why I look like this. Anyway, I'm going away in a few days on a holiday, finally. I am very excited to go. So, like I said before, all my coats and stuff are on my rail and they're on the floor. So I actually cannot wait to pack it all so I can put them all back up on my rail. I had like a checklist somewhere because I'm really, like, I like to be organised. I like to make sure I've got everything. So I did write down all my, like, the clothes and what outfits I was going to have so I don't overpack, because last year when we went to Iron Apple, I think we had 20 kg and this year we had 15, and last year I went over 5 anyway, and obviously I can't do that this year, so I need to really rein it in with the clothing. I think it's going to be more my toiletries that weigh a lot. So anyway, I'm going to crack on with a little bit of packing, so yeah. So this is a situation with the coats. It's just like shoved at the end of my bed at the minute. And then that is my rail with all my holiday clothes that I want to take. I think I'm just going to lay it out all in my bed. Also, I've got this little lock for my case from, was it Poundland? Maybe it was like Savers or something for like £1, so I thought that was quite good. So yeah, I can't wait to put all this shite back up there. Got a bag there full of like little bits that I got from like Poundland and Savers and stuff. This is my little case. Do you want to stop sliding? Thank you. And then this is my big case. So I got these for my birthday. Really cute. I need to take off all the labels and shite. But I'm going to take, so I think we get, that one's 15 kg that you can fit in, and then that hand luggage is 10. So like I said, the Saturday that I wrote down all of like my outfits and stuff, and the events that we've got, so I'm going to go through them. I am normally very organised, but I feel like I've become even more. When I went to Paris at the start of the year, I forgot to pack a towel, and like I don't know how I forgot to pack a towel. Like what was I going to do? So I managed to get one, obviously, so that was fine. But like the main thing, like, you shower every day. Like, how did I forget to pack a towel? So ever since then, I need to just make sure that I've got everything that I need. So that's why I'm like OCD in this situation. So at the moment, I've just got old shit in there, so I'm taking this year. That's like a beach towel, but I've got old like clothes and stuff, although I'll be taking that this year. So I'm just going to quickly go through this and remove it all. These are all the clothes that I am taking here. I've literally put the outfit order. So this is like the first day, which I'm not going to put in my big case. I'm going to put in my hand luggage in case it gets lost or something. So I need to have a first day outfit. And then I'll probably start from there. Put down all like the clothes type thing, and I've left like the bikinis and kind of cover-ups on there, or some of them, and I'm going to try and organise all of this first to pack, and then I'll put the bikini maybe like in them little things. I've organised them into piles, so I've got my shirts, tops, skirts, shorts, trousers, towels, dresses. So I feel quite organised already. And then that, I took this last year, I just don't know if I'm feeling it. I think pretty heavy, and if I'm not going to wear it, I don't want to add it to my luggage. And then this is obviously all my bikinis, so I think I'm just going to start whacking it all in now. So I've packed my tops, trousers and some shorts. Just got some skirt, like the denim ones, to pack, and it is quite big. Like you can see there's some room, but I feel like when the toiletries go in, that's when it might not be as big. But I've started rolling things now. So these are like dresses and stuff that I've started rolling, and I've just realised I haven't showed you everything that I've kind of got, but I have showed everything in separate hauls, so you will see them in other hauls. that I posted before. When I'm there, I'm gonna do like my outfit of the day and things like that, and I'll obviously be posting it on Instagram and stuff if anyone gave a shit of where I got them from and what I wore. So I just thought it'd be easier than doing a whole video when I've already showed half the things. Anyway, I will sort out my toiletry bags now so I can see where and what will fit best in my bag. Skincare wise, I have a little travel bag and little travel size ones to put it all in instead of taking obviously like the big products, and I don't use wipes, so it's perf to fit it all in. So I've got like my cleanser, toner, moisturiser, and then I've got like these 2 different oils added in the moisturiser. That's an age define one, and this one's really good for like decreasing spots type thing. A little mini one, blemish. And then I've got this Tammany balm, which is good for like bites and stuff. God, my nails so disgusting. I'm getting them done on Friday. So yeah, and for like other things. And then I have this a lip plumping conditioner, as you can see. This is so nice, so that'll help when my lips are dry as fuck on holiday. So I'm just gonna pop that in there. So makeup wise, I don't really wear makeup normally in the week to work or anything, and if I'm gonna wear it kind of over, well, like for the airport and stuff, and when I go out this week, then I'll just use some kind of other things. I've just shoved like this little Huda Beauty palette in with some little brushes, if I really want to go a bit crazy on the night. Powder brushes, things like that. Just these ones, eyebrow highlighter. I don't think I want to take setting spray, obviously, like a little lipstick concealer, eyebrow brush. So that's the makeup I'm taking. Oh, and some tweezers. In the day I won't wear any makeup, but on the night I'll probably put some concealer on and maybe a bit of eyeshadow. I'm probably not going to take a setting spray because realistically it's just going to sweat off, but if I just want to look a little bit nicer, then I'm just going to take that bag, obviously for Ellie, and it's got obviously 2 little compartments than this, so I'm just going to shove it all in. To go in this little middle section, just got my toothbrush holder, which obviously I'm not going to put my toothbrush in yet. I've got some razors, got some Germaline, what's this, Savlon, you just never know. Some body stuff that I've just put into this smaller bottle instead of taking the big one that I had. It's like a glitter thing. Some pads just in case, because you never know. Some plasters, it literally says on the front, how did I forget that? And then my little headband that would go in there but doesn't fit for when I take my makeup off. So that's going to all go in this bit. That little bag all packed. I think I can't really fit much more in that, so I've got this old little bag that I'm going to have to put or everything else that I've got. I'll take you on a whirl of what I've got from Poundland and stuff. Got some Nature Valley bars to kind of just snack on like when we're there, and some of these, like if I get hungry I just grab some of them because oh, Lotus biscuits are the nicest fucking biscuits ever. I've got these little test tube shot glasses from Poundland. Brought some little luggage tags from Poundland, which I'm going to obviously leave out because I need to use them. Some shaving gel, like a little mini one from there. Got a shower, well, 2 shower I don't think I need 2, but we'll put in there. Disposable camera, because we love a disposable. Just made a new Instagram with my disposable photos that I've got already. I'll link down below. Got some paracetamol, obviously. Tissues. Lotus biscuit, that's Run Wild. And some hay fever shits. Some of these bad boys. Cough sweets. Yeah, suntan lotion. Little suntan lotion. This, because I was going to buy the Lotus one, the Lotus biscuit one, Biscoff, but last year I never woke up for breakfast, and even if I did, I didn't really eat that much of it. So I'm going to, if some of the girls get up before me, I'm going to get them to get me some bread, and then I can just put some chocolate spread on it if I'm hungry. So I just thought I'd get that. Got quite a selection going on here. These I'm going to put in my carry-on, and that, and then this is all going to go in the green bag that I've got here. So that's all packed. So I've got 3. I've just thought last show what I did was put cling film around the top of the lids of some of the bottles, which I'm gonna have to do. I'm gonna have to go downstairs and get some for the sun cream because the sun cream's already open. So I'm gonna go and do that. So they're all done. Hopefully they don't pop and lock in my suitcase. So originally I put like my shoes in my carry-on, but I think I'm gonna take them out. So I've just got my Nike slides, some like fake Converse-y things so I can just get them ruined and at the paint party. Some Primark, these espadrilles from Primark, and then these little ones from I Saw It First. I have these little bags somewhere here from when I ordered off Zaful before, which I'm going to shove all my bikinis in because they're really handy. I've packed all my, basically everything off the rail now. Packed all swimming costumes and stuff, so it's getting a bit, what's the word? It's getting a bit full, that's the word. I've still got bags and hats and stuff that I need to put in, and I've literally, just as I said that, remembered that I've got to fit that in, so that's interesting. This one I am going to put in my case. I'll just put it there for now. And then I think these two, I might put, or maybe that one I'll put in there. I think this one I might pop in my hand luggage. So obviously I'm going to leave my hair dry before I go, but I've put some shoes in this bit. And I've got them left to put in there. I've moved this around a bit because I did it stupidly. So I've moved all this shite round. I'm still just trying to figure out kind of where I'm going to put all of this and that. But basically, I've nearly packed everything, to be honest, which I'm quite happy about. Just got to put some socks and pants in there, which I'll do the day before, and I'll just put in the corner, I'll just shove it down corners somewhere. And then I'm going to put my first day outfit in that bag there. My friend has the bag that I'm going to use for my carry-on, so she's giving me that Friday. So then all these little things, like little bits and bobs, I'll pack in that when I get that. Just remembered about bags and hats. That's obviously the bucket hat that I got. That little hat from Primark. I'm going to grab some more bags out. And I also need to look at jewellery. Just remembered. Have a look and see what kind of jewellery I want to take. These are bags I'm then going to take in. Obviously some bum bags and then some little strappy bags. And then just these 2 hats. And then now I'm going to look at jewellery. Jewellery-wise, I'm going to take these. Oh, I found my ring that I couldn't find. These I'm going to take. I've got a lot of hoops that I'm going to take. Some little clips. These dangly ones, these cute ones. Some scrunchies, little bubbles. Them little clips. Like body chain things, and then this headband I think is what I'm going to take. And I realised I don't actually have a bag, so I'm just going to put it in this little plasticky bag. I feel like 6 is a bit excessive, but some of them are only little. So these are from ASOS, Primark, pretty sure they're from Primark, River Island, Pretty Little Thing, and Fashion Nova, if anyone was interested. And I'm going to put them in these little Fashion Nova bags. I'm going to put all of them in my well, actually I think I might put these in the big bag. Then I'm going to put these in my carry-on. And then I'm going to pack my bags. So I think I've literally packed everything. That bag and this hat I'm just going to kind of shove on top for now. And we'll sort that out close to the time. And then I've literally finished packing this as well. Oh shit, no, I've got to put my towels in. Ignore me. And then it's literally kind of all done. But I need to wait still because it might be too heavy. Guys, I nearly forgot belts. So I'm going to quickly pick these and just shove them in my carry-on. I'm basically finished, I think. And now I can finally put all my coats back on this rail. So that's it for the pack with me. I think I've got everything, to be honest. I think I did okay. Still got a few days to put things in, so I'm going to end this pack with me here. I hope you all enjoyed, and I will be vlogging my holiday. So them vlogs will be coming out when I'm back. And yeah, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video, which will be me prepping for holiday. So I hope you enjoy that, and I will see you then.